Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peach wine using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. About 5 pounds of ripe peaches, 2 pounds of sugar, wine yeast, and yeast nutrient. Ensure all your equipment, like your primary fermenter and airlock, is completely sanitized. This crucial step prevents unwanted bacteria. Next, wash and pit your peaches, then chop them into small, manageable pieces, ready for the next stage of fermentation. Now, let's start the primary fermentation. Place your chopped peaches into the sanitized primary fermenter. Dissolve the 2 pounds of sugar in 1 gallon of warm water, then add it to the peaches. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pectic enzyme and 1 teaspoon of yeast nutrient. Once the mixture cools to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, pitch your activated wine yeast. Seal the fermenter with an airlock and let it sit for 5 to 7 days. After primary fermentation, it's time for the secondary stage. Carefully strain the peach pulp from the liquid, transferring the clear wine into a sanitized glass carboy. This step removes solids and helps clarify the wine. Attach an airlock to the carboy and let the wine ferment for 3 to 4 weeks. Monitor the specific gravity with a hydrometer. Fermentation is complete when the reading remains stable, usually around 0.995. Finally, it's time to bottle your delicious peach wine. Before bottling, you might want to stabilize and clarify the wine with fining agents for a professional finish. Carefully siphon the wine into sanitized bottles, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals. Cork or cap your bottles securely and store them in a cool, dark place. Allow your wine to age for at least 3 months for the best flavor, then enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.